So I have no experience with group practices, never worked for one, never had one. I hear what you're saying though, taking a huge split. I mean, it seems kind of unfair. I guess the therapist agrees to it when they sign on, so I guess there's transparency there. The bigger problem I have, I think, is with people blaming these classes suck, blaming individual practitioners for larger issues such as insurance companies. You know, people want to say, oh, therapists should take insurance and the measly $50 that they reimburse, and if they don't, they're greedy. Yet, how much are CEOs of insurance companies making? Right? How much are the people who are putting these policies into practice making? Is anyone saying they shouldn't make that much money? Tens of millions of dollars? Well, I know recently some stuff has gone down where that has become a little bit more talked about. But historically, people want to blame the therapists and say, you should work for pittance. And meanwhile, people are making a shit ton of money at the top, and nobody seems to care, and they're not being blamed for it. Why do you pay your contracted therapist such a low rate? Why do you claw back money years later, and therapists are helpless to do anything about it? I can't tell you how many times that happened when I took insurance, where an insurance company would just deny a claim and say, no, we don't think that client needed it, or you know what, you saw someone 2 years ago and now we've decided that wasn't medically necessary, so we're going to take back the money that we gave you. And you have no recourse. You have no recourse. You're at their mercy. So I think instead of blaming practitioners for doing what they need to do to make a living, we need to look at the top, right? We need to look at who's setting the reimbursement rates, who is profiting on the backs of therapists who are trying to do the work, right? It's such a big issue. Appreciate you taking the time to come in.